They're going fishing. We're gonna go for a hike down to the pond. Mark's flying his drone. Where is it? Because he could just use his phone too. Alright, so we are going to explore some of the woods where I grew up. Out in north central Mass. It is so peaceful and so quiet out here. Actually, my maiden last name means of the woods, and this kind of is a little piece of that. I mean, just stop and listen. There's like nothing. There's birds chirping, you hear a couple leaves, things here or there, but it's so quiet and so peaceful. A bus, but that's okay. We didn't really come for the fishing. It was more about just getting out and being closer to nature and spending some time with my brother, and it was fun. It's pretty out here. It's very peaceful. We saw a lot of fish jumping out of the water, and like just look around. It's so beautiful. The air smells so nice. It's so warm and fresh and pretty.
Well, so that's a wrap for today. We spent the day with the family. We went and saw Mary's family, saw the nieces and nephews, played on the trampoline with them, went to her parents' house, had a great cookout. I got to go and experience a part of Mary's life that I've actually never seen before when she was growing up, and that was what was known as the Three Pipes, and that's just an area down by her house where they used to go and fish and hike and explore and all that kind of stuff. And honestly, I really think it's where Mary gets a lot of her exploration or adventure from, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, we went fishing, didn't catch anything, but honestly, it's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and again, I just hope it inspires you to go out and just make sure that every day you live life to the fullest, because life is too short and you can't let it pass you by. Thanks so much, guys. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take it easy.